a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison.
Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no frontin', get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the field, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way out for me. I'm here living like a villain.
And what's going on, y'all? Welcome back. I hope everybody's doing well today. We are going to be jumping into a few different things. The G's getting some love for one, and we got a few other missions going on today. So we're going to go ahead and just jump right on into it and not waste any time. The mission begins. Me boy sitting in the back of the truck. Bullshit about how much land I had. This man's got gems just sitting back here. Where the hell's the turbo at? Oh shit, I didn't even see it. Hell yeah. I mean, you're a good distance. You're good right there. You're perfect. Yeah, you're right there, dude. Motors, trailers, transmissions everywhere. What the hell, Tim? How is it the first socket you pull out is a 10 millimeter? That's luck. Hey, what's up with this? Why don't we build this too? Shit. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? It fits now. Yeah, it fits now. I know that shit's right. That's wild. Jeez. You're sitting on Project Heaven here, bro. How are you bored? This is ridiculous.
This is my grandpa's truck.
This is tight. I dig it.
This is a real truck.
Take the tractor and turn it back.
Oh, fuck! Hernia! Fuck you! You might put a block under. Hey, it's squatted.
Hey, I'm part of the yeet yeets.
Hell yeah, it's working.
You good? Come on.
Oh, it ain't either.
Hold on.
I don't think you can pick that.
Yeah, no, go. Well, pick up the other one. Okay. Until it hits the back tire. Try it.
Come on. Come on.
Come
You
on.
good?
Turn the wheel that way, actually. Alright.
Stay right there. You're good.
Alright. Oh shit, slipping.
Last momentum bump. 1, 2, 3. Oh, rocket. Shit. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. A little bit more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, shit. Brake sipping. Got any?
Huh? Ford's up on there. Time to strap it down, get up on out of here. I know you love haters.
What? What you do to my car? How much I owe you? All right.
Whoa, whoa.
She's a heavy bitch. They just scraped on the bottom of it.
We're good, bro.
Ain't gonna hang up on the frame rail up under.
No, we're good, bro.
Locking technique back.
It's got one little lip left.
Up, back, up.
There it goes.
You had to climb through the sunroof. We're here for day 2 of this video, so we're jumping straight into it with the Cars and Coffee and Enterprise today, and we're not going to waste any time, so let's get there. Getting ready to roll out. Almost everybody's here. We're getting ready to roll out and head on out of here.
XL up in the pen, you can't shake that. All the way gassed up, full tank, man. Moving too quick, keep the cameras in the playback. Dang, so tell me how you feel with it. You put a lid on it, I ain't got no chill with it. This right here your problem, you gon' have to deal with it. Lay it on the line, high risk, that's the meal ticket. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. Hold our ground where we at, never fall back. No lies, no facts, we gon' stay right where we at. We ain't never fall back. Came with the hands out, get them off us. I'm 24/7 in the office. Pay attention cause I ain't repeating offers. Yeah, never met a man I've been scared of. Careful, you gon' get exactly what you asked for. Here for whatever you bring me getting handled. I answer to no one, I don't need a hassle. Yeah, we ain't never fall back. Hold our ground where we at. We ain't never fall back. Hold our ground where we at. Never fall back. Never fall back. Hold our ground where we at. Yeah. No lies, all facts. You can find me right where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back. Yeah. We ain't never fall back. And you can find me where I'm at. We ain't never fall back. We ain't never fall back.
Looks like I'm gonna end the video here. Stay tuned because this week I will have some things coming for the G. Things got postponed and moved around a little bit, so later this week I will have a video dropping for the G. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and until next time, thanks y'all for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like a video, and till next time.